In this video, I'll show you how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook. So if you've blocked a person or an account on Facebook on accident, or you changed your mind and want to unblock someone, it's really easy to do so. It will only take us a couple of seconds to unblock a person on Facebook, and this works on both iOS and Android devices. The very first step is to open the Facebook mobile application on your device and then click here in the bottom left corner to open the menu. Now from here, you want to tap on this little gear icon in order to open our Facebook settings. When you get here, we need to scroll all the way down until you can see this blocking button. You want to click on that and it's going to take us to this page. We will see a list of all the blocked people that we've blocked on our Facebook account. When you find an account which you want to unblock, just tap on the unblock button next to their name. And you'll see this pop up with some information on what will happen when you unblock this person. They will be able to message you, see your photos and your timeline and other stuff. If you're sure you want to unblock this person, simply tap on unblock and that's it. That is how you can unblock people on Facebook mobile. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.